Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how style reference works in Leonardo AI. So first of all, if you're new, just go to the home page, go to image creations here in the middle or go in the left side, it doesn't matter, it's the same one. When you are here, you want to come to this square, the image kind of style. Then you have style reference. You want to click on that and let's say I pick this flower. I already uploaded one before. And let's add the text. A running dog. Okay. Choose your image style, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna use two images. Facebook size, cinematic style, and Phoenix over here, 0.1. Depends on what you want. And then I just wrote running dog. Let's see. Now the image should be kind of black and white kind of style. Because the image is kind of black and white. So you can see this image is black and white too. Here you have some colors, but it's less than regular image. So let's try more something different. I'm gonna add this image over here. I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna add let's go over here. Just add this one. And I'm gonna keep the same, a running dog. Okay, so everything is the same. Let's just generate. But as you can see, has more light, right? This is black white. This has more light because the image has more lights into it. So yeah, this is how you use style reference for images.